Jerusalem that day, the soldiers tried to leave the narrow street, but the crowd pressed to see the man condemned to die on Calvary. He was bleeding from a beating. There were stripes upon his back, and he wore a crown of thorns upon his head. And he bore in every step the skull upon the crown for all his head. Now that we are Dolorosa, called the way of suffering, like a lamb in the Messiah, Christ the King. But he chose the one and moment of his love for you and me. Down the Via Dolorosa, all the way to Calvary. Tuguan ang may latay ang buong niyang katawan, at sa ulo'y may korona na tinig.